Assalamualaikum. I'm Nur Akidah Najah binti Muhammad Rafi. So our group will talk about the AEON Credit Services Digital, ACS Digital under digital banking. Okay, digital banking encompasses the delivery of financial service using digital platform, including internet portal, mobile application, and other digital interfaces. Digital banking comprises a diverse array of services such as managing account, transferring fund, paying bill, applying for loan, and managing investment. Okay, move to the AEON Credit Services. Berhad was first established on December 6, 1996 and then transformed into a public limited company on February 9, 2007. The firm was listed on the main market of Bursa Malaysia, Security Berhad. AEON Credit began its activity in 1997 by offering easy payment program for the purchase of consumer durable via retail merchant and chain shop that were designated by the company. AEON Digital Bank has extended its commercial operation in encompass the issuing of credit card, prepaid card, the AEON wallet app, easy payment scheme, hire purchase financing for the motor vehicle, personal financing scheme, insurance broker service, and other service like to the financial industry. A joint venture between AEON Credit Service and AEON Financial Service Co. has been established with the intention of operating as a digital Islamic bank. Therefore, AEON Digital Bank is established as a result of Bank Negara Malaysia granting 5 digital bank license to the quality promoters in April 2022. These licenses were approved by the Malaysian Minister of Finance, MOF. Two of the license for Islamic Digital Bank license under the Islamic Financial Services Act 2013, which were awarded to a consumption consisting of AEON Financial Service Co., AEON Credit Service Berhad and Money Lions Incorporation, and the other license was leaked by KAF Investment.
Okay, for the next part is the contemporary practicing for AEON Credit Service Digital. So the first one is AI and machine learning. AI and machine learning are vital in AEON Credit Service Digital to enhance efficiency, security, and personalization with the notable applications, including the first one is credit scoring. AI and machine learning play a crucial role in AEON Credit Service credit scoring system, improving creditworthiness assessment by analyzing diverse data inputs. This implementation enhances the fairness and precision of credit scores, enabling AEON Credit Service to customize lending products based on individual financial profiles. Okay, secondly is fraud detection. AEON Credit Service employs AI and machine learning for real-time fraud detection, swiftly identifying fraudulent activities by analyzing transaction data patterns and detecting irregularities. This proactive security approach safeguards customers from fraud. Next is chatbots for card service. AEON Credit Services Digital enhance customer service using AI chatbots to quickly address account, transaction, and general inquiries. Virtual assistants improve responsiveness and efficiency, leading to increased customer satisfaction. Okay, next is personalized financial advice. AI and machine learning analyze customer financial preference, allowing AEON Credit Service to provide personalized advice. This includes recommendation for investment, refining spending habits, and offering individualized credit management techniques. And the last one is risk management using eKYC. AI and machine learning enhance eKYC for AEON Credit Service, ensuring efficient and secure identity verification for meets regulatory standards. Okay, the second application is data analytic tools. AEON Credit Service utilize data analytic tools and to analyze consumer interactions and preference, enabling personalized financial products and services. This data-driven strategy is to enhance customer satisfaction, to adapt to industry trends, and position the company as an innovative and responsive player in the financial industry. Okay, the next tool is digital banking services. The digital strategy of AEON Credit Service is to create user-friendly mobile apps. These apps enable clients to manage their finance on the go. Smartphone payments will likely to be available on the mobile app, and the integration of digital wallets allow users to securely store and manage their payment options, which will give customers a pleasant experience that encourage financial involvement. So the last one is biometrics authentication. AEON Credit Service Digital prioritizes security through cutting-edge biometric technologies like fingerprint, scanning, facial recognition, and voice authentication. These methods ensure secure transactions and user data protection, enhancing both security and user experience. In the AEON HK mobile app, user can easily enable biometric authentication on compatible device, streamlining secure access to services. Okay, so these are the steps on how customer can set up their 6-digit mobile security key on AEON HK mobile app. So the first steps is click settings on the application, which have the icon, the profile icon, and then click the icon. Then select app and security. In that page, select mobile security key and it will turn into the page which they need to include their HKID number and date of birth. And then the next step, they can set up their 6-digit mobile security key. Depends on what key they want to add. So from this, they can set up the security key to secure their apps. Okay, so these steps will help customer on how to set up their 6-digit mobile security key on AEON HK mobile app.
My name is Patiasna, number 3280494. I will continue the presentation about the mechanism. AEON Net Member Service offers its client a comprehensive online platform for financial services, which may be accessed on the company's website as well as through its mobile application. In order to activate all the features, you need just to register and validate a few steps. To begin, in order to submit their registration information, customer may go to the website of AEON Credit Service by clicking on the following link. As a first-time user, they are required to register and fill out the necessary information before moving on to the subsequent stage. Then, they are able to activate their AEON credit card online by following a few easy procedures whether through the application or website, and they may immediately enjoy the following card services. Once the registration is complete, customers will be able to download the application onto their mobile device, which the application will provide. First, card details. Customers have the ability to access their card number, expiration date and CVV, card verification value, whenever and wherever they would want to do transactions using the AEON HK mobile app. The fact that the card information is stored on their mobile device enables them to have fast access to their card information regardless of where they are, eliminating the need for physical cards or documentation. In the event that the user is on the go, they are able to rapidly verify card information, including the card number, the expiry date, and recent transactions. Second, promotion registration. In the context of mobile application, it refers to the process by which users sign up or register in order to take part in certain promotional offers, discounts, or campaigns that are made available by the app or services that are linked with it. There are a lot of promotions that have been provided by them, which are first, spend and enjoy cashback with AEON credit card. Second, Dunkin' Donuts promotion with AEON credit card, and agreeing up to 25% off promotion with AEON card. These incentives, such as exclusive discount, prizes, or special offers that are made available via promotion, may help to cultivate loyalty and encourage users to continue to connect with the application under consideration. It is possible that users may return to the application more often, particularly during promotional times, in order to take advantage of continuous offers or prizes. Last but not least, security authentication. Customers have the ability to access online services in a safe and simple manner thanks to the AEON Net Member website and the AEON HK mobile app, which are both equipped with a variety of authentication options. There are tools that use for authentication, which are first, the key to mobile security, second, authentication based on biometric, third, authentication token, and single time use password. Security authentication provides a range of advantages, the primary goal of which is to protect sensitive data and guarantee that only authorized users are able to get access to critical systems, accounts, or information. This strengthening authentication serves as a disincentive against fraudulent attempts to access users' accounts or to carry out unauthorized transactions, which helps to reduce the likelihood of fraudulent activity.
I'm Yana, and now I will continue with the view of Islamic scholar. Islamic scholars' view on digital banking have begun to evolve, and there is no consensus. Digital banking in Islamic finance is a complex and often debated issue, as it is involved various aspects of Islamic jurisprudence and the compatibility between modern financial practices and Islamic principles. Some Islamic scholars have raised concern about digital banking practices, especially if they involve elements such as interest or speculative transaction. This is because Islamic financial principles prohibit interest-based transaction, and any financial product or services involving interest will be considered non-Sharia compliant. On the other hand, those who support digital banking give the opinion that if this service complies with Islamic financial principles and does not involve prohibited element, it can be considered permissible in Islamic Sharia. Digital banking has the potential to offer more efficient and accessible financial services in accordance with Islamic ethics. As we know, when we say credit services or financing, it is related to property. It is one that needs to be taken care of since it is one of the Maqasid Sharia principles that we are required to take care of. The main goals of Maqasid Sharia is to protect 5 components of human lives, which are religion, life, mind, offspring, and wealth, or property. In general, property covers something that is affordable and beneficial.
Next, the uses of digital bank. Okay, during this period, the advent of digital banking has completely transformed the way people and companies handle their financial matter. Digital bank provide unmatched easy. Users have the ability to log into their account at any time, day or night, from any location with an internet connection, strong connection. Okay, next, this application provide a user-friendly interface for effectively handling financial matter on mobile device such as smartphone or tablet. Okay, next, digital banking enable customer to actively monitor their account in real time. And the last is digital bank or often include customer service options such as online chat, email, or phone, which enable customer to properly address concern or seek help without need to go physically to visit the branch. Next, the uses of AEON Credit Services Digital through application and website. Okay, AEON Credit Service have adopted digitalization, providing mobile application and website that transform the manner in which people engage with their financial services. The first one is the user are able to conveniently handle their account, execute payment, and use financial service due this accessibility. Next, user may use the digital platform to conduct online payment. This encompasses the process of satisfying loan payment, resolving any debts, or doing other transaction effortlessly via the application or website. Next, the user are notified and alert via the application or website. This notification may include a reminder for immediate payment, notification for finalized transaction, or other certification information pertaining to their account or the service provided by AEON Credit Services Card. And the last AEON Credit Service implement stringent security measure is the digital platform, including encryption, a secure login protocol, and perhaps supplementary security layer like two-factor authentication.
Alright, so now I will continue with the suggestion for improvement for AEON Credit Service Berhad. The system and services available in AEON Credit Service Berhad can be said to be quite satisfactory, but some improvements may need to be made in some matters. And this includes enhanced customer education. As we can see, this AEON Credit Service product was initially not a product under Islamic financial products. AEON Credit Service Berhad got approval as an Islamic financial product in 2022, and most of the customers are not interested in the product offered by them. After they got a digital Islamic banking license under IFSA on April 29, 2022, they made improvement in terms of expanding the scope of offerings by including digital Islamic banking services. In terms of expanding a group's customer base, the benefit AEON Credit Service has gained is that they are able to provide financial services and solutions with a new business model to reach a wider group of customers, especially underserved and underserved market segments. In addition, they can also enable the group to package its product and services more comprehensively to meet the needs and requirements of its existing and potential customers. Lastly, they can also allow the groups to have access to lower cost of funds through customer deposit in AEON Credit Service Digital. Another way to improve the services of AEON Credit Service Berhad is in their feedback mechanism, which we know that feedback from customer will help other customers to trust the services offered by AEON Credit Service Berhad more. But not only that, it can also help AEON Credit Service Berhad to make improvements through the feedback given by their customers. Therefore, in our opinion, AEON Credit Service should create effective feedback channels to make it easier for their customer to make any feedback about their products. This will not only make it easier for customer, but it will also make it easier for AEON Credit Service itself, because they don't have to bother thinking about how to get the opinion from the customer about their product offered with this effective feedback channel. As we know, customers need to be taken care of because every company has competitors trying to grab their customers. Therefore, if it is necessary to lower the fees, lower them according to the correct rate but do not harm the company. Lastly, the improvement that needs to be made by AEON Credit Service Berhad is in terms of their company's transparency. Among the improvements that can be made are in terms of their charge fee, their terms and conditions to make the financial with AEON Credit Service Berhad. This is very important to maintain a good relationship between the company and their customers. This is because when the good relationship is maintained, it is not easy for customers to run to other companies because they already trust and have confidence in their existing company.
In conclusion, there is the potential for digital bank to assist consumer and organization in gaining greater access to solutions that are more personalized and supported by the data analytics. When companies transfer their operation online, digital banking offers a safer and more convenient option to conduct commercial transactions. Bank Negara Malaysia announcing the 5 businesses that have been granted the Islamic digital bank license in Malaysia, such as there is AEON Credit, a non-bank financial services provider, has been offering financial services to its customer in Malaysia for the last 25 years. The group is of the opinion that obtain an Islamic digital bank license will allow it to broaden the range of its product and service, thereby reaching a larger customer base. The proposed joint venture presents a favorable chance for the company to expand its customer base by utilizing ACCD digital Islamic banking business. Therefore, AEON Credit and its subsidiaries are principally involved in the provision of easy payment scheme, personal financial scheme, issuance of payment card under the international brand name of Visa and MasterCard, and insurance broker business. Its personal financing scheme and certain easy payment scheme are based on Islamic principle.
Down the river we drunk and all of our thumbs went up and